Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing products in the world of photography. We have the Canon EOS R6 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. These cameras have unique features that cater to different needs, and today we will break down their specifications and performance. But before we dive into it, don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel in their own right. The Canon EOS R6 features a high-resolution 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering stunning details in every shot. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, ensuring sharp and vibrant images. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, these cameras have you covered. Speed is crucial in many photography scenarios, and both cameras offer impressive shooting capabilities. The Canon EOS R6 can shoot up to 12 frames per second with its mechanical shutter, and a staggering 20 frames per second with its electronic, silent shutter. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 provides smooth and uninterrupted shooting experiences, allowing you to capture fast-paced moments without missing a beat. It's all about finding the right tool for your creative needs. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras shine in their respective technologies. The Canon EOS R6 features dual-pixel CMOS AF with 1053 AF areas, covering approximately 100% of the frame. It's perfect for subject tracking, including people and animals, thanks to its deep learning technology. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 utilizes advanced autofocus systems, ensuring precise focus and allowing you to transition seamlessly from face tracking to object tracking with its product showcase setting. For those who love capturing videos, these cameras offer outstanding features. The Canon EOS R6 supports 4K UHD 2160p video capture, providing incredible detail and clarity. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 takes it a step further with oversampled 4K movies from 6K footage, ensuring excellent image quality without any pixel binning. Additionally, the ZV-E10 offers easy live streaming capabilities with a single USB cable, making it perfect for content creators. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Canon EOS R6 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Each camera has its own strengths, and it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. We hope this video helped you in your research. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and comparisons. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.